Hello, welcome to this Make the Lakes tutorial. Let's talk about embroidery thread. Stranded embroidery thread is usually bundled in groups of 6 strands, and each one of those strands can be very easily pulled out of the bundle, just like this, so you can use them one at a time. This is how we anchor our thread using the loop method. Put the two ends of the strand of thread together to create a loop at the bottom. Then thread the needle using the two ends and ensure that the loop is at the end of the longer side. Then we want to bring our needle up from the back to the front of our fabric where we want to anchor it. Push it back down, flip the fabric over, and then thread the needle through the loop. And this is our thread secured, ready to sew.